Kowuok e piny mar Haiti wadhi nyaka e piny mar Somaliland kama iyudo ni ikruok koro oserumo ne yiero maduong' e piny mar Somaliland ka jakom mar duol mochung' ne yiero e pinyno Musa Hassan lero ni jogo ombulu maromo milion 1.2 biro luto ombulu e yiero no.
Is above 16 is eligible to vote. Only those that have pre-registered and have got their cards are able to vote. Those that unfortunately did not collect their cards when we were doing the card distributions, they're not able to vote. The total population that are eligible to vote is 1,227,048.
We are an international election observation team of 28 people from all over the globe. And we will, from different countries like Guatemala, Kenya, Zambia, Spain, Italy, Germany, the UK, Ireland, from a whole host of different countries. And these people have come here to observe the elections here, and they will be in all the regions of Somaliland, all 6 regions of Somaliland. And on election day, they will observe the elections from dawn to dusk to midnight.